you, I'll be showing you how to get uh, this new Billy avatar on Roblox. So first of all, you have to go to in marketplace. So you have to go to the marketplace. Now you have to scroll down here and go to in category, and you have to first of all go to sort and choose recently created. Recently created. Choose it. Now you have to go to in price and set zero as maximum. Fine, zero as maximum and click on go. Now you see this new avatar Sparkle Billy. Sparkle Billy. It is very similar to the Billy avatar. So you just need to click on it and get this item, guys, before it goes off sale. So it is a bundle type. So you need to make sure that just grab it as soon as possible because it may go for the sale. So just click on menu and go to avatar. Now you have to go to track character and go to purchase character. Now you will see this or newly Sparkle avatar. So Sparkle Billy, click on it, and that's how you can equip it on Roblox. Fine. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.